Cardano has seen some insane moves over the past couple of days, and yesterday we dropped by 24%, then went back up. Let me restart this right here from the bottom. Went back up 19%, and from that bottom, we are actually up about 30% today. Insane volatility in the crypto market in general. Cardano is included in this, and based on the drop yesterday, we called out some perfect trades. We won 10 trades in a row in the last 24 hours for a total 88% combined profit, and Cardano was actually one of these trades. There's one more open. There's many more trades coming. So if you want to join us for those trades, membership link is in the description down below. As a heads up, we have a brand new future forecast video out yesterday. Prepare your exit now as Bitcoin hits new all-time highs with no Bitcoin left on exchanges. With that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and I'm here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Traders with Trade Confident, as a heads up, we have a family talk video out now. If you go down into your Telegram channel, right here, we're going to have a heart-to-heart. We got some feedback recently that we really want to talk to you about, and I think it's important that we share. It's going to talk about risk management and everything you need to know about the major risks of investing, especially in cryptocurrency, and talk about general market expectations from here. Watch that video before this one. Go watch it. It's really important. Today, we are going to be talking about Cardano, showing you where I think we're heading next based on our market data, including our indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus world money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Before we get to the live charts, we're going to head straight down into the Cardano metrics on our website. This was updated this morning, 8 a.m. Pacific time, and as of today, on the emotional index, we are seeing excited readings. Most often, this is actually going to be bearish. You can see right here, excited, move down. Greedy, actually, up here, move down. Excited, move down. But the market has shifted since we last got those readings. Even a small drop into excited, down from where we're currently at in greedy, is going to be bullish. There's a small potential we could fall all the way back into neutral. I highly doubt that's going to happen this time around, but if we do, that's just even more bullish in my opinion. While most often this would be a bearish reading, right now, during the transition to the bull market, even a small drop is going to be bullish. Next up, we're going to be talking about the Cardano Whale Smart Money metric. Yesterday, after the drop, we got a move towards long trade sentiment. Even the slightest amount of long trade sentiment is going to be highly bullish, and this is exactly what we saw. Whales have bought the dip and are moving money back into the market. Today, we have a little bit of short trade sentiment, but I don't think it's until we reach below negative 600 or even on into negative 800 that we're really going to see moves back down in Cardano. So for now, this is a neutral to bullish reading. Now, keep in mind, this specific metric shows the future. It shows what whales are likely to do soon. If you want to see what whales are actively doing today, the whale money flow relative to price chart is the one we need to watch. Now, over the past few days, we have been trending downwards in this metric. We've seen lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and again, a lower high today. Although where this ends up remains to be seen. Most often, this is going to result in drops when the whale money flow relative to price chart is dropping as well. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if this continues moving up, if the green line continues upwards, we can expect moves up. But if the green line drops, expect another drop in Cardano. It's as easy as that. Next up is going to be the major support and resistance charts. The 67.85 cent and 69.5 cent structure supports are crucial, and they're actively what we tested yesterday and are bouncing off of today. Now, we have structure resistances, but they do not show on this chart. You'll need to wait for the live charts in order to see where that's going to sit. It's crucial that you pay attention to market structures because the price typically will actually magnetize to those levels. And last but not least is going to be the Cardano trade signals chart. We got a strong sell signal with a slight move up, but immediate crash, major crash to the downside, as we saw earlier, over 20%. We are seeing moves back up today. If we see another sell or strong sell signal, I would expect continued moves to the downside very slightly until we see a buy signal, as we've seen previously, which tends to be very, very bullish. Keep an eye out for either signal either way. it has been very consistent in our trades. Now, if you want to stay updated on Cardano, as I said earlier, these metrics are updated every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Cardano metrics as well as metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members, you need to be paying attention for brand new trade setups. This is members only here. If we go to view performance record and scroll all the way down here, all the way down, you're going to see our last 11 trades we've taken. Only one of them is still active right here, but the rest won for between 8 to 10%. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Avalanche, Decentraland, VeChain, Solana, Polygon, Ripple, Algorand, and Cardano. Cardano was actually a 10% win. Congratulations to anyone that has been trading with us, keeping track of these trades. We're 151 wins, 0 losses with 1 active trade for you to take right now, with our trades being 84, almost 85% accurate. In fact, not even needing a single buy limit or any risk management at all. And that is thanks to our indicators. Speaking of which, we're going to go back to the home page. These trades were taken with our indicators. Members get massive discounts on those as well. And lastly, access to our future forecast videos, members only content there, and our Inner Circle live Zoom coaching sessions every single month. If you want to join us, the links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for, but hurry, price increases up to $65 a month are coming April 20th. Keep in mind, members that purchase at the current price will get to keep that current price and will not have their membership increased. Snag it now to take advantage of the current discount. A membership is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. We are trading Cardano USD now on the 4-hour time frame. Typically, we're watching the 1 day, but the volatility, the massive increase in volatility necessitates a lower time frame. We're trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. I want to talk real quick about yesterday's trade that was called out. As the price dropped, we were looking at previous structure supports, and as we saw the price approaching that, we noticed that price versus while money flow was low, we saw trades in favor was low, and most often, especially when testing support, this is going to be a great place to enter. From there, we saw the price bounce. We saw major buying opportunities, tons and tons of buy liquidity at these two structure supports, and it rocketed the price back up. And this is actually what ended up winning our trade. So congratulations to anyone that joined us on that. Now, the price versus while money flow shows while money is continuing to drive out of this market. This is actually kind of bearish, and we need to watch out for that. And the trades in favor has plenty of room to move down. Now, our current structure supports sit at 69.5 cents and as far down as 64.13 cents. I don't think we're going to drop below 58 cents, but I wanted to include this because this is where the wick ended up. The very bottom of the major bearish candle here had the wick down to 58 cents. If whale money continues dropping out of this market, I think we can continue to expect drops down. We saw a ton of buying liquidity again at the 69.5 cent mark, which brought us up, but we are beginning to drop. We have another bearish candle here, and as long as whale money continues falling out of the market, we should be expecting moves down. I think we're going to see a candle close right around the 69.5 cent mark, and if we break below that, and a break in this case means an open and candle close below the 69.5 cent mark, a drop down to 64.13 cents is highly likely, at which point, no matter which structure support we're looking at, we want to see price versus while money flow low. I want to see trades in favor in the long trade zone and ideally a buy signal to call the next move up. This could be a great potential entry, and we've seen this play out very, very consistently. Back here, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal saw crazy moves to the upside. And I want to talk to you about this too. A potential exit if you're looking in the short term for Cardano. If you're not a person who's wanting to hold for the long term, we are using these indicators to be able to call the tops as well. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell signal, move down. Same thing, price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell, move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, strong sell, move down. Very consistent calls from all of our indicators recently on Cardano. With that, we want to look at an overall trend on the 1-day time frame. Pretty much the same thing. Whale money is oversold. I'm sorry, whale money is overbought. Whale money is high, whale money is overbought, meaning that they're likely to exit their trades. 74% chance of a drop tells us that we could be actually seeing continued moves down. But this is a major transition into the bull market. There's a chance that whales are going to completely ignore the fact that they are overbought and continue buying in anyways in order to bolster their funds as the bull market continues. I do want to point that out and provide possible structural resistances. The first being 79.91 cents and the second being 90.52 cents for potential resistances. But as we've seen, whales are much more predictable on Cardano than they are on Bitcoin. So we need to see whale money moving out of the market. And once it bottoms out, I think this is where we're going to see moves up. We saw a little tiny drop and move up in whale money. This is bringing the price up today, but for now, things are just looking slightly more bearish. Of course, we're going to keep everyone updated on the movement in Cardano, but in between videos, I want you to be able to stay updated. These indicators helped us call out the last 10, well, honestly, all 151 trades and 0 losses in our membership trades. These indicators are what we're using to call out those trades. But in the last 24 hours, 10 trades of won, including trades in Cardano. So if you want to be able to access these indicators, they're going to help you hour by hour, day by day, week by week. I can help you snag them for up to $550 off. Check this out. The links are going to be in the description down below. You're going to go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our pro indicator page. Membership discount is $150 off. It's actually much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Access the member coupon code at this link once you've signed up, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, pay very close attention to the next signals for Cardano in order to catch the bottom. Don't miss it.